Hey there, herbal enthusiasts. Today I'm going to share with you 10 amazing herbal remedies to boost your liver health naturally. Our liver is a powerhouse, filtering toxins and aiding digestion, and these herbs can help it stay in top shape. So let's dive right in. First up, we have milk thistle. Known for its active compound silymarin, milk thistle is great for protecting liver cells from toxins. It can even help regenerate damaged liver tissue. You can easily grow it in your garden, just make sure it gets plenty of sunlight. Next, we've got dandelion root. Don't underestimate this common weed. Dandelion root is a potent liver cleanser and supports bile production, which aids digestion. You can harvest the roots, dry them, and make a tea. Third on the list is turmeric. This golden spice is not just for cooking. Curcumin, the active ingredient, has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Add it to your meals or take it as a supplement. It's incredibly easy to grow in a pot or garden. Fourth, let's talk about artichoke. Artichoke leaf extract can improve liver function and support detoxification. Plus, it's a tasty addition to your meals. Grow it in your garden for a dual-purpose plant. Number 5 is burdock root. Another excellent detoxifier, burdock root helps remove toxins from the bloodstream, supporting liver health. It thrives in most gardens and can be used in teas or soups. Next, we have schisandra berry. These berries support liver function and improve resilience to stress. They're perfect for an herbal tea or a health-boosting snack. Schisandra is a hardy plant, making it easy to grow in various climates. Seventh is licorice root. Not only does it support liver health, but it also has anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting properties. Grow it at home and use it in teas or tinctures. Eighth, we have peppermint. Peppermint aids digestion and supports liver function, making it a great addition to your herbal arsenal. It's super easy to grow and adds a refreshing twist to your teas. Ninth is ginger. Ginger's anti-inflammatory properties support liver health and improve digestion. It's a versatile herb that can be used in teas, cooking, or as a supplement. Plus, it grows well in pots or gardens. Last but not least, we have lemon balm. This calming herb supports the liver and helps reduce stress. It's easy to grow and makes a delightful tea. There you have it, folks. 10 amazing herbal remedies to support your liver health naturally. Remember, always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new herbal remedies. Happy gardening and stay healthy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more herbal tips and tricks. See you next time.